Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Manaya here and I am back with another video. So this is my acne skincare journey update. I have been using Mario Badescu's, I'm probably butchering the last name, the Acne Skincare Starter Kit. I have been using it for only a week now and I really enjoy it. There's just a couple of things that bother me, just tiny little minor things. One of them being is that I wish that this acne facial cleanser it cleaned my skin more. Not that it doesn't clean my skin, but I sometimes try to use it to take off my makeup and I find myself using a lot to try to get my makeup off when I feel like if I just massage it in for a good 15 seconds, when I rinse my face, I feel like my makeup should be off, but sometimes I gotta use I do another rinse. I really like the Special Cucumber Lotion. It acts as a lotion, but it's also a toner, I believe. It helps take off more of the dirt and nastiness on your skin. We have the oil-free moisturizer, which is also a sun protection of SPF 17. I really like this. It's lightweight and it doesn't mess up when I put on my makeup. It doesn't have a mixture happening. I put this on, it dries, it's good, it's solid, and that's the end. The mask, I really enjoy this mask. It gets hard after 15 minutes and you can see you can run your finger over the mask when it's hard and you can feel where your bumps are and what things need to what you need to work on when you use it. And then we have the drying cream, which is a very small little container. It's in my bag, but it's so deep in my bag I don't feel like looking for it. It's really nice also. I wish it was bigger. Obviously it's very small, so if you want to see what that looks like, you can go check out my first video that I made about this acne kit when I first used it on day one. Overall, I love this product line. It's not harsh on the skin. I have very sensitive skin and my skin will bruise or turn red by anything, and this skincare line has not done anything to really dramatically go crazy with my skin, like an irritation, like burning or something. I have felt nothing, no tingling, nothing like that. One thing that is happening that I don't really like or appreciate is that I'm getting, I had a little bit of a breakout when I started using it, and I know that happens sometimes when you use new products, your skin reacts in a weird way, and also sometimes the product that you use may bring out all of the impurities first and then start trying to heal the skin, which is something I also heard. I got this bump up here, and then I got these little ones right here, and then everything else is pretty much clear, besides this, but I had these already. At the same time, I feel like it's working really nicely with my dark spots. I feel like they are getting lighter. I don't have an amazing close-up shot of the first day that I started. I only have a small little view. But I have some pictures that I was taking for the last 5-7 days. So I'll show you guys the before and I will show you guys leading up to now without my makeup. So let's get into it. Well, I am back with a freshly washed face. I just used the product. I don't know. I don't know. It's only been a week, so I feel like I can't, feel no type of way yet, because it's only been a week, but, I don't know. This is what's more made me mad than anything, this just popping up out of nowhere, it kind of just really made me upset, and then this is definitely getting smoother, which I like. I just wish it would get way more lighter, but I'm hoping within this next week, by the end of the week, I really see a difference. I just want a difference. It doesn't even have to disappear at this point. I just want to see a difference, So yeah, that's my skin at the moment. Check back here next week to see another update on how it's going on this horrible journey so far. No, it's not horrible, but I don't know. I just hate looking at that. Like, you ever look in the mirror and be like, damn, I hate my acne? Yeah, so that was that. I'm gonna go put on a mask and I'll catch you guys in a hair video.